later this year. India now finds itself at the center of three axes, courted by Russia, reconciled with China, and pressured by America. Tianjin gives Modi the rare stage to play all sides at once.
We are a country where actually the Americans said for the last few years that we should do everything to stabilize the world energy markets, including buying oil from Russia. Incidentally, we also buy oil from America, and that amount has been increased. So, quite honestly, we are very perplexed at the logic of the argument that you have referred.
Meanwhile, Russia and China have turned rhetoric into systems. Nearly 95% of their trade is now settled in
rubles and yuan.
Moscow's currency market
Runs on the yuan.
And Beijing is piloting
Digital yuan systems.
to bypass the
Well, entirely. Dollar, US dollar.
China ranks first in relationship
With Russia, and it comes to trade.
in 2024.
This index broke another record of US $245 billion both ways.
Our country is also one of the leading foreign trade partners of
Of
the
the
PRC.
PRC.
Investment cooperation is actively developing, and about 90 Russian-Chinese projects of 200 billion are to be implemented. Energy flows have also been rewired. Russia, once Europe's top supplier, now ships record crude
Volumes to China and India.
Projects like Power of Siberia 2,
Through still under negotiation,
symbolize
Moscow's permanent pivot east.
And then, after
Tianjin comes the theater.
September 3rd,
Third, Tiananmen Square. Nako, Tiananmen Square.
she
They put the shoulder to shoulder,
to shoulder
reviewing missiles.
missiles, drones,
Tiananmen Square.
sonic weapons in China's Victory Day
December yun eh. Tiananmen Square.
military muscle.
Ito ang Black Island, China. Tiananmen Square. Pro-democracy
Days,
protests. The meetings.
20 plus leaders,
20 orders, 10 international organizations.
10 SCO members,
One summit, one
one
parade.
summit, one parade. 3 days. This is diplomacy.
Diplomacy.
Choreography designed
To stress test Western hegemony.
hegemony and to announce that Eurasia is ready to
Charts
chart
its own course. Nako, kaya na. New normal. New power.